In today's digital age, making money online has become a popular way to supplement or even replace traditional income. One such platform that offers opportunities to earn money is Vidify. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of making money online using Vidify in 2024, even if you're a beginner. Vidify is a video sharing platform that rewards users for creating, uploading, and curating content. It operates on a decentralized network, allowing users to earn cryptocurrency for their contributions. As the platform grows and gains more popularity, the potential for earning money increases. To begin, create a Vidify account by visiting their website and following the registration process. You may need to provide an email address, create username, and set a secure password. To maximize your earnings on Vidify, you'll need to create engaging videos. Familiarize yourself with video editing software, basic video production techniques, and popular video formats. You can also learn from online tutorials and courses to improve your skills. Identify your areas of interest and expertise to create content that resonates with your target audience. Brainstorm video ideas that are informative, entertaining, or educational. Remember to research trending topics and popular keywords to optimize your content for search engines and the Vidify platform. Once you've created your videos, upload them to the Vidify platform. Make sure to follow the platform's guidelines for video length, file size, and format. Provide a catchy title, description, and relevant tags to increase your video's visibility. Promote your videos on social media, forums, and other platforms to attract viewers and subscribers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. The more views, likes, and shares your videos receive, the higher your potential earnings will be. Vidify rewards users with cryptocurrency for creating and curating content. As your videos gain traction and your audience grows, you'll start earning cryptocurrency based on the platform's reward system. You can then exchange this cryptocurrency for fiat money or use it to invest in other cryptocurrencies. To maximize your earnings, consider exploring other ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or offering services related to your content niche. Keep track of Vidify's updates, changes, and new features to optimize your earning potential. Engage with the Vidify community and learn from experienced users to stay ahead of the curve. Remember that building a successful online presence takes time and dedication. Stay consistent with your content creation, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your skills. With patience and perseverance, you can make money online using Vidify in 2024. Making money online with Vidify is an exciting opportunity for beginners to monetize their creativity and knowledge. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well equipped to start your journey towards earning money through video content creation on the Vidify platform.